SwiftUI gives us a range of built-in modifiers, such as font, background, and clip shape. However, it's also possible to create custom modifiers that do something specific. For example, we might say that all titles in our app should have a particular style. So first, we need to create a custom view modifier struct that does what we want. Struct title conforms to view modifier. Func body content returns some view. Then that content .font .large title .foreground color .white .padding .background color .blue and .clip shape rounded rectangle corner radius 10. We can now use that with a modifier. Yes, it's a modifier called Modifier, but it lets us apply any sort of modifier to a view, like this. .modifier title. When working with custom modifiers, it's usually a smart idea to create extensions on view that make them easier to use. For example, we might wrap our title modifier in an extension like this one. Extension view, func title style returns some view, self.modifier title. We can now use the modifier like this, .title style. Custom modifiers can do much more than just apply other existing modifiers. They can also create new view structure as needed. Remember, modifiers return new objects rather than modifying existing ones. So we could create one that embeds a view in a stack and adds another view. Struct watermark conforms to view modifier. Var text, string. Func body, content, returns some view. zstack alignment .bottom trailing. Our content, then text, .font .caption, .foreground color .white, .padding 5, .background color .black. Then extension view, func watermarked with text string returns some view. Self.modifier watermark text. With that in place, we can now add a watermark to any view like this. Color.blue, .frame width 300, height 300, .watermarked with hacking with Swift. Now I should say that custom view modifiers weren't working great in earlier versions of Xcode. You should make sure you're on the latest version, ideally a beta, for the best results.